Hi, I'm Robert Sandberg with Windrider. Thank you for joining us again on This Is Why We Fish. We're here again in Hayward, Wisconsin for day 2 of our fishing trip. Had a lot of success yesterday afternoon catching some bluegills and sunnies. This morning we're out and going to be probably putting up a bunch of flags for some northerns. So I'm looking forward to another great day fishing.
Isaac, how long have you been fishing?
It was like a few minutes.
Oh.
Northern, what do you think? You think we can catch one almost as big as you? Yeah, I think so. Maybe a small hole, we'll get a big fish. That's right. Maybe that'll be the trick.
So you don't need to set the hook with these?
No, you don't set the hook with these. It automatically sets it.
And in Minnesota, are you supposed to set the hook?
Yeah, but Minnesota, you're not allowed to use something that automatically sets the hook for you.
Because it's not fun. But then
Pull
everyone...
that to there, that
Knocks it.
so then you get a little bit of.
I think we got one, but I didn't get it. Nothing.
Okay, your turn. Got it. You lift it.
You lift
Oh, you want me to lift it? Okay.
What would be the best one?
Either a jack or a 5.
I hope it's a jack or a 5.
Wait.
It's a 3.
3? Okay. 3 doesn't do us any good, but...
It doesn't do us both any good.
Yeah, neither of us does any good. So I got 15-2,
So
15-4,
that's
15-6,
still
1
good,
for 9.
But that's still good for me, because then you don't get any points.
You see any flags out there? Nope, no flags yet.
I'm getting hungry. Hey, that's the kids for snacks.
Gotta have snacks. That's what all the pockets are for snacks. Some water for you, bud. I like bluegills, but yeah, it's like you have to catch so many to make a meal, and then you gotta clean them all.
Yeah, me and my daughter, each of us can do 100 an hour.
Wow, that's...
Nice.
There you go.
I need some puppies. Puppies and some bluegills. Daddy!
Yeah, bud.
I need some wipes.
Why is that?
Because I touched fish.
Oh, then just lick your fingers.
No!
No? Oh, okay. put him back in now. Put him back in.
I want to eat.
No, we're not eating him. Put him back in. Put him back in. There we go.
I really want to catch another one.
Little tougher this morning. Had a few bites.
Glove.
Oh no! There goes the glove.
It's a little windy today.
Yeah.
We're putting a test of these Windrider suits out here today. A few flags. It's been a fun morning.
Being able to have this nice little warming shack to sit inside and play cribbage and just have fun. That's kind of what it's all about for us. Is just kind of coming out, making memories, having fun, and enjoying the water. Not making memories.
We're making fishermen.
We got a bluegill fillet.